Hello and welcome everyone. It's good to be back again. Not able to do the live at US Open, however, we are back now. And also today was a little bit busy. Only was able to take one trade on the US oil. This was forming a triple bottom, so I just went long here and I closed it somewhere in here. So that is the one trade I was able to take today. Now let's take an overall look on the market, what is happening. Let's scan through stuff. If there's something interesting, we might take a trade. So NASDAQ again, you can quickly head over and watch the latest video. We are stuck in this red box over here. Basically is a resistance zone. So we are stuck over here now. Not stuck, but we just got rejected from here recently, and now we are expecting some pullback. But I think there might be a little bit more push, maybe I don't know, 750, 700, something like that, before we see further drop in the market. And you can see this vertical line here. This is the interest rate decision on 22nd March. So this is what is happening on NASDAQ. Oil, we were forming a triple bottom. Gold is showing quite insane move today. Is 1964 right now. So very aggressive pump on gold. Let's quickly go 4 hour. And as you can see, we have taken out this wick that was there in January. So yeah, we are right in the zone for sell pressure to come into the market. RSI sitting at 80, went up till 92, 93, and then we saw this drop, and now we are again making a new high. So look at this, price is making a higher high. So, and you can see over here also, look at all of this selling that happened in this zone. Hence we are reaching a zone of selling pressure that can develop on gold. Let's quickly check silver. Silver trying to bounce from the $20 mark, and now we are seeing that some struggle has started above $22. Euro USD also showing some movement, but again not really much. GBP, alright. Let's scan these on the 1 minute chart. Let's do that. So NASDAQ, we are seeing a pump, that is fine. S&P is doing okay, nothing special. Yeah, 155 onwards for Apple is a resistance area. There we are now, 155.73. Netflix, yeah, all of them are looking quite similar. So, but overall, if you look at this, for example, this is Tesla, right? So there's a drop happening, and now price is trying to make this bear flag on the 1 minute chart. So there might be a drop, maybe somewhere around here, 175. Neo, nothing much. Oil we have checked, gold we have checked. Let's go Bitcoin. Yeah, Bitcoin showing good move today. 26,500. 27.5 onwards is an important region, I think. Hopefully we will go there, hopefully. Ethereum, same thing. Total market cap 1.1 trillion. So staying above 1 trillion, that is good for the market. This is interesting actually. Let me open this. So look at this. We had a bottom on this stocks below 50 moving average, and now we are trying to bounce from it, and the stock is NASDAQ is 12,500. If genuinely next week 25 basis point is there and market stays positive, and if we start seeing a nice pump on this, NASDAQ will just go ballistic. I mean, even I would say 14,000 is not out of question. The pump will be just insane, because This is a cycle the market has. This is stocks above 50-day moving average on the S&P 500, and you can see all this area here is where it tries to find support, and then we are seeing some nice bounce. So yeah, if we go in this region here, you can imagine what will happen to S&P 500. Let's take a look at the VIX index also. So VIX also giving us, look at this. So time and time again we see a big pump, rejection, pump, and now we are seeing some rejection happen. And as you know, rejection in the VIX means that S&P 500 will show a nice upward move. Market again trying to go back into this red zone over here. This is roughly 12,600 till 13,000 is this zone. But yeah, next week interest rate decision is going to be extremely important for the market to take further direction. Of course, need to look at what comments Jeremy Powell gives to the market. That is also important. Let's take a look at fear and greed index. So 25 points. Market is still in extreme fear, even though we are at 12,500. So market is still in extreme fear. Hence, if we are able to see a nice pump from here, it can become very good for the market. Oil, if we talk about oil, yeah, again finding it difficult to cross the 200 moving average in red. So in terms of the NASDAQ, in terms of our trade, so either we need to be somewhere here to open a short, or we need to wait for this region here to go long. As you can see, we're right in the middle. If you open a trade here, it won't make much sense. 1 minute RSI is at almost 69. So correction can happen from here. Hence, I don't like to trade in the middle of ranges. So I would wait either for this point, or we go up somewhere here. What else we have? Let's check Tesla also. Yeah, continuing the drop downwards on the minute chart. So like I mentioned before, look at this, what is happening. This is a bear flag that is forming on the 1 minute chart. So again, we are in the middle of the ranges, maybe somewhere around here. Yeah, this region here can be an area to go long, or we need to wait price go above this point here, 184, to go short. We are almost in the middle, so again not interested in taking a trade in the middle. And as you can see, this red line over here, this is $108, represents area of highest volume. This red line is known as the point of control. So this is a short term volume resistance, hence you can see even this fake out happened over here. So yeah, looks like it is better to wait for either 176 area, this around here, or price goes above 184 to either this area will be of course for short, this area will be for long. Other than that, like I mentioned, today there was a triple bottom. This green line over here was a triple bottom on oil, and that is where I went long today. That was the only trade I was able to take today. Got busy with some other stuff. Let's check gold also, because gold is pumping massively. Let's go gold, 1963, very massive pump on gold. So you can see that the price is trying to make a double top here, but very strong upward move on gold. Overall, yes, we are for 1950 onwards is a very strong resistance zone for gold. So probably some correction is now due, given that next week is interest rate decision. So yeah, there will be a correction on gold that time. Let's check DXY. Let's check DXY on the minute chart again. Okay, we are seeing a double bottom. not exactly a double bottom, but we are seeing a lower low form. RSI was almost flat, so some bearish divergence is happening. If price is trying to pick from here, then maybe somewhere here it can reach somewhere here. That is possible. But once again, you can see we are in the middle of these two ranges, so never ever trade in the middle of two price ranges. So let's see. But RSI is almost how much? 60 now. So maybe a wick towards, I think, this purple line, which is 104 almost. That will be good. If there's a sudden wick in the next 5-10 minutes to this range, then yeah, maybe that can help us open a short position on the dollar index. Otherwise, we have to wait for now. Either we go back here or again somewhere around here. Let's go back to NASDAQ. Yeah, like we saw just a few minutes back, double top was forming with high RSI, hence we are seeing a small correction. But again, this red zone is the key area. We need to wait for price to go there in order to open a short, or we need to wait for price to fall somewhere here. Even better would be a lower low and then RSI giving us the divergence. That might be an interesting point to enter long on the NASDAQ. And also I just uploaded a video about NASDAQ, analysis video for NASDAQ. You can watch that one also. And in the same video there is a link to our new Telegram group, which is free for all to join, so you can go and join that one also if you want. Let's check Bitcoin. Okay, yeah, Bitcoin has shown very nice move recently, 26,600. So if I just quickly jump to the daily chart over here, what I was mentioning before, I will show you what I was talking about. Look at this area here, look at this on the right side, very less volume available. So this is the reason why first area of interest can be somewhere around here. This is how much? 28,000 roughly. Let's take rough numbers, and 31,000. This is the real target zone that we need to see. The good thing is, yes, price is trying to stay above the 200 moving average on the daily, so that is a good thing. I am long all this area. You see, since June, all of this area here I have been accumulating in this whole region. So now it's just waiting for the right moment to exit the market. Not anytime soon, of course. I'm looking forward towards the next bull run, probably after $60,000-$70,000 somewhere. We'll think about exit. But for now, yeah, this range here is 28,000 to 31,500, or you can say 27 and a half, because there's a wick here. This is the region where we want to see the price to go. And another good thing is price is making continuous higher highs on Bitcoin. There was a divergence here. You would have seen there's a lot of people were talking about this divergence on social media. So this has played out already. Now a new uptrend is there, and a little bit more pump in price will invalidate the bearish divergence, so it will be fine then. But yeah, 27 and a half at least I hope we are able to see, hopefully in the next few days. And in talked about this area here, that this is one of the, this is how much, 19,500 roughly. So 20,000 was the point where I went long. I mean, not long, but I accumulated some more for my long-term portfolio. Enough said. Let's go back to the minute chart, because we are trying to find trades to take. So price is, again, you can see trying to move towards the red zone. So again, we have to wait till, what is this, 12625, this area here. Then yes, we can think of opening a short position. I think the action for oil is done for the day. It was a triple bottom, we saw this pump, and now just very small movement is happening. So we'll keep an eye on this, but not much happening. Let's go to S&P. Yeah, S&P also struggling a lot. You can see there are so many moving averages here, so that is why a lot of struggle is happening for S&P. price is trying to get out of this long-term downward trend that was there. This is very important. NASDAQ has done this successfully. NASDAQ is out of the long-term downtrend, so that is good. But S&P is still struggling a bit. Other than this, yeah, we are seeing another rejection from almost 12562. Let's check gold also. Okay, 1965. So a very strong upward move on gold. We are seeing that right now. It might be worth opening a short here. Let's try to do that. Let's open a short over here. Let's target somewhere around here, not too aggressive, and something like this. Then we will see what happens. But yeah, overall very aggressive pump on gold. Oil is, again, like I mentioned, not much happening, so price is getting stuck in this pennant pattern. Let's see, maybe in the next few minutes, maybe 30 minutes is where we might see a breakout. We are taking a chance with gold right now, a short position on gold. Overall, a lot of pump has been there, and we are waiting for NASDAQ to either go in this range, or we are looking somewhere around here to open a long position. Yeah, Bitcoin is showing some correction, a little bit correction, not a lot, $150. Okay, there's one more thing. If we go over here in Bitcoin dominance, on the 4-hour chart, you can see the insane pump on the dominance. So a lot of money is flowing into Bitcoin. That is the reason why we are not seeing much action on altcoins. So hopefully if Bitcoin stays above 25,000 and dominance starts decreasing, then yeah, we will see some nice pump in the altcoins also. Again, we have got a short open for gold. Let's check Ethereum. Not major movement on the 1-minute chart. Yeah, we are still short on gold. So today only one trade was there. I was able to take this trade on oil at 65.6. This was a long. After that did not get time, and now trying to go short on gold. But overall, again, I will say that it's a very crazy pump on gold that has happened. And as you know, next week is interest rate decision. It's very much likely that opposite of what is happening right now can happen. If I go to the daily chart, let me show you. So look at this area here. Look at all of this VIX. Look at all of this. Straight away, a lot of selling. Even if we scroll to the left, you can see 1950 onwards is a very strong sell zone for gold. The thing would be if we see a VIX of this sort. This is still where 2060. Yeah, if there's a VIX of this sort, then yes, that will be dangerous for anyone going short over the long run. But other than this, yes, very strong chance of a correction from this point. Let's go back to the 1-minute chart. Price is creeping up a bit. As you can see, we are short right now, but very strong move on gold overall. NASDAQ, a little bit correction, not much. Ethereum, yeah, nothing much. Same with Bitcoin. Overall, yeah, last 24 hours has been very good for Bitcoin. We are at 26,500. So again, looking forward to 27,500 is where I think it should be in the next few days. Price is continuing up again. Okay, not much action on NASDAQ. Also, we have started a Telegram group. If you want, you can join that for free. I had posted about this, so either you can join from the post, or if you go and check our latest video about the NASDAQ 100, where we talk about why NASDAQ 100 might just trap a lot of retail people. So if you go and watch that video, in the description I have put the link to the free Telegram, so you can join from there also if you want. One more thing talking about Bitcoin is the dominance. There has been a massive pump on Bitcoin dominance. So if I show you over here, look at this crazy pump on the dominance. Hence we are seeing this is how much Bitcoin is up 6% and Ethereum is up only 2.9%. So Bitcoin is what is driving all the pump right now. Money is flowing into Bitcoin. Altcoins are not moving much. And I think if we stay above 25,000, 26,000 for a few days, and then we see a correction in the dominance towards 44.5. If this correction happens on the dominance, then yes, we can see some nice moves on the altcoin. Quickly just looking at the weekly chart for the dominance. So again, look at this RSI sitting at almost 70. Last time again from 70 RSI we saw this drop, and this range here actually is 46 onwards. You can see this is since May 2021 we are seeing continuous rejections from this point. So yeah, maybe there will be a good correction here that will help the altcoins, so might be worth putting some money into altcoins. Yeah, I think that would can be a good strategy if you are doing cryptocurrency. Let's go back to Bitcoin. Okay, so this has pumped a lot. It's almost at the stop loss. Bitcoin coming down to test the moving averages here. Yeah, I think just missed by 1 cent, I think, but it's fine. It's a very strong upward move. We were just trying to catch maybe a little bit correction that happens and give us some profit, but that's fine. NASDAQ again trying to move towards 12625. Oil is showing some move also. So yeah, overall you can see that we are seeing massive pump across different markets. Bitcoin, oh sorry, dollar index also we are seeing a rejection. So just trying to form a double bottom over here. Of course, if we see a pump on the dollar index, that means that gold and NASDAQ both will start going down. But this is the overall situation in the market. Do let us know what you think. And like I mentioned, if you want, you can join the free Telegram group. I have posted about that, so you can join from the post, or you can go and watch our latest video and you can join from there also. Hopefully I will see you next week. Until then,